Today we're going to look at how to clean up a gradebook upon migration to eLearning. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate under Course Management, Grade Center. We're going to click on Grade Center, then select Full Grade Center. Once we have done this, we're going to hover over the Manage tab and then click on Column Organization. Okay, once we're in Column Organization, we're going to scroll down into the area denoted as Not in a Grading Period. Now right now we're going to go and we're going to check any column that says Final or Hidden beside it. We're going to check all those columns. Then once we check all of those columns, we're going to hover over the Show Hide button and click Show Selected Columns. Okay. Once we have done this, now you will see all of your columns are now showing to be in black. Now you'll click Submit. If you were successful, it will say Success Grade Center Organized. Now that we're able to see all the columns in our Grade Center, next what we want to do is we want to go in and we want to make sure that we delete any column that we're not going to be using in our course. In this particular course, there are 3 items that need to be deleted. They are the weighted total column, which you see here, and we will delete that column by clicking the drop down arrow beside it, and we're going to delete that column. Okay, now that column has been deleted. Now we're going to go through and find any column and we're going to delete that column. We're going to delete this final column here, and we will also delete this midterm column here. Now I want to let you know that by deleting these columns, what we will end up doing is that they will no longer be accessible in your gradebook, and we want to delete all duplicate columns. We're going to go and we're going to see if we can find another duplicate column. We want to go ahead and delete that column as well. There's another column, it's called Final Letter Grade. We're going to delete that column. And we're also going to delete Final Grade as well. We're going to delete that Final Grade column as well. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to delete any column that is not going to be used or is what is known as a duplicate column. Now some of you may have what is known as a total column that has been copied over for what was formerly known as WebCT or now is old eLearning. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you go through your gradebook once you've migrated your course over and make sure that there are no columns that you do not want currently showing in your course. Now we will go back to the Manage column one more time. Click on Column Organization. And what we want to do is we want to take a final scan. And we'll go through and we'll look at any column that and see if there's any column that we do not want in our Grade Center. I'm going through this column and everything looks good. And this ends our tutorial on how to clean up a gradebook in eLearning.